How to link CITI bank account to PayPal. So visit the official PayPal website and log into your account. Look for the wallet option on the top navigation menu. This is where you can manage your linked account and cards. Within the wallet section, there should be an option to link your bank account. Click on this option. In the process of linking a bank account, PayPal will provide you a list of banks. Look for CITI Bank and select it. You will be prompted to enter your CITI Bank's account details. Follow the instructions carefully and provide accurate information. PayPal may require you to confirm your bank account. Just confirm. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.